Step one, you already have a bank account. So whatever bank you're with, or you can choose another bank if you like to, but whatever it is that you already have an account with, give them a call, set an appointment. You're going to go in and you're going to ask for a tax-free savings account that is self-directed. Now that's important, that part, because they're going to try to push you into a mutual fund or something else, and they'll offer you a lot of things to get you to do other things so they can have somebody else manage your money for you. That's not what you want. You want a tax-free savings account. It's self-directed. That means you choose the stocks and you want it to be self-directed. So just thank them. That's what you're looking for. And when you get set up with that, they'll either walk you through the process or you can go online and do it as well. I'll leave a link in the video below with someone that actually goes through the online process and goes every little piece of the online process to help you through that. It's very simple. It's the same setup any bank information stuff. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You're not looking to start options or any of that stuff. You just want to invest with tax-free savings account. Okay, step two is you're going to go in and you just be exciting because you're going to buy one share of a stock. And that stock's going to be Walmart. Now, I've got lots of reasons for that, but just for this example, I'm just telling you, you can go in and buy one share of Walmart. I believe it's right around 103, 107, somewhere's in around there. American, so that works out to like 140, 135, 40. Anyway, you can do the exact math on it, but you're going to buy one share of Walmart, and you're going to put that in your tax-free savings account. Step three is you're going to wait. Why? Because the money's got to make money for you. It takes time. It doesn't happen instantly, and that's the difference between investing, trading, and exchanging your time for money at a job. Exchange your time for money, you get instant gratification. You get that paycheck right away, but when you're investing long term, it takes a little bit more time. So anyway, that's the step three, is you're going to wait. And then within 3 months, I'll say 3 months because I don't know what period of time, but every 3 months they kick out a dividend. So depending on what time frame you're inside of that 3 months, you're going to receive a dividend. And that dividend is going to come right into your account. Nobody's going to tax it. Nobody's going to bother it because it's in a tax-free savings account. So not only are you making money with your money, it's not being taxed. So there you go. There's your third step. It's just to sit back and watch it happen and be happy and excited that you're not getting taxed on this part of money anyway, at least in life. You're not getting taxed on that.
Step two, I want to check out the dividend. I heard you could get paid a dividend. I wanted to see that happen in my account. So I bought shares of Bell, Canada. And sure enough, oh, here's more deposit. Here we go. Sure enough, first check, $15. 3 months later, here we go again, another dividend, $15. And another 3 months again, stock dividend, $15. That proved to me that worked.
So there you go, $15 every 3 months, tax free. Never get taxed on any of that money at all. There you go. Just wanted to share this with you, and just remember, you were put on this earth to be greater. You weren't put on this earth to stay the same or be less, to be more than what you currently are, to be better every year. Just want to drive that home, and this is the way to do it with your finances. This is one of many ways, but this is a great way to start, because when you're not paying all the money out in taxes, that's more money in your pocket to build something for yourself, to build something for your future. Thanks for watching. Take care.